The World Health Organization is saying drinking alcohol can increase the risk of someone catching COVID-19 and can make conditions worse if an individual already has the virus. The organization is dismissing the myth that consuming alcohol can actually kill the coronavirus. So too is the drug control officer in the Ministry of Education, Dave Alexander. Therefore, is encouraging governments of the region to limit the intake of alcohol during the pandemic. In an exclusive interview with GBN, Alexander brought clarity on the myth, stating that alcohol does more harm than good to the human body.
Know that uh, alcohol, that is alcohol which has a certain percent volume, at least 60% and over, can be used as part of the process of sanitizing. Okay, so once it's properly used, it can be done to sanitize, let's say, countertops or your doorknobs or other surfaces as such. Okay, of course, you cannot just take it and ingest it, because that will not do any solve any problems if you would have contracted the virus or prevent it. So consuming alcohol does not solve the problem of the coronavirus or COVID-19. Alcohol does not prevent or get rid of the coronavirus. That is, if you ingest it.
With the onset of the global pandemic COVID-19, the use of alcohol-based sanitizers has been recommended as one of the measures of avoiding the spread of the virus. Alexander recommends that people refrain as much as possible from consuming alcohol, since a person may not know if he or she is infected with the virus.
We also know that the alcohol use and, of course, the coronavirus or COVID-19 is a very deadly combination, a very dangerous combination, because we know that alcohol-related problems can also result in the development of respiratory issues and, of course, later on pneumonia. And so if one develops COVID-19 or contracts the virus, and, of course, consumes alcohol, well, then we know we are in for a very, very difficult health-related issue. The problem is that some of us or some persons may have the virus and we don't know unless we are tested, okay? And it shows a positive test. So in the meanwhile, of course, what we want to tell people is that as much as possible to refrain from alcohol.
Alexander was part of the discussions earlier this week with the Pan American Health Organization on alcohol consumption. Christelina John, GBN News.